Hello, my name's Sam Jones and I'm playing Professor Marvel and the Wizard of Oz in The Wizard of Oz. Yeah, I'm very excited to be working with the cast and crew. I was very fortunate to work here last summer, so there are some familiar faces, Phil Harries and Eliane, of course. But yeah, very excited to work with the rest of the cast as well. I've just met a few faces and everyone's very friendly and welcoming. So yeah, should be excited. Yeah, this is a great question. Unique aspects. I hope to just bring a lot of joy and I hope to be able to connect with the audiences and share a lot of the sort of magic qualities that the wizard has, and excitement and a lot of sort of the kind of compassion and empathy that he brings to it as well. So those aspects I'd like. So it's a whole range of them, but yeah, I'm just looking forward to really connecting with the summer audiences. Yeah, there's so many magic elements to this show. Um, I think I think that the transition, certainly the well, first of all, let's say the twister. Can't wait to see what they do with that. Can't wait to see how everyone starts to sort of fly as well. The flying's going to be exciting. And those qualities, like the Winkies characters, I like to see what happens with those. And yeah, I'm looking forward just to seeing how all that magic fits together, and especially the transition from the kind of, or are we doing anything black and white and going into color like they did in the film? Yeah, there's lots of parts to this. I'm looking forward to. Yeah, this is a great one. The with this, it's the I guess with the wizard through Dorothy's eyes, we're never quite sure, is he, what kind of person is he? Is he this magic magician? Is he really a wizard? Is he kind? Is he not? There's this sort of or who is the wizard? So I'm looking forward to seeing, like, showing maybe some of those elements of when some of that character or persona of the wizard is taken off, and we see the real person behind it. And what his intentions are, we're never quite sure. So it's quite enjoyable to play with that and keep people guessing. Oh, people should come and see the show because it's a great show for everyone from all ages. So many people can relate to so many of the themes within it. It makes it very accessible for young people and old and everyone in between to engage with. And I think right now as well, where we are in the world, to have something that we can escape to, and a fantasy land, if you like, and with that real sense of innocence and spectacle. I think many audiences and many people from, as I said, all ranges will want to engage with it. Magic.